Mata. I'm a celebrity makeup artist, and I'm here today with my sleep family, as well as the lovely Ore, and I will be showing you how to create a nude lip. So as you can see, I am using the liner called Just Say Nothing, and it's a beautiful warm brown. I would always say, especially if you're dark skin, you should start with like a really dark brown. Like this one's perfect. And I say if you just go over it a few times, you can really get that nice rich brown to really show up on your lips. But if you have a liner and you feel like it won't show up so much on your skin, another tip that I really like to use is using concealer. Once I finish to line the lips, I literally get Ore's concealer shade and I just go around her lips and blend this out just to give her mouth a bit more definition so you can really see where the color is. It's a stroking technique that we're using because you want to create smooth lines. You don't want this to be too harsh. And this step usually comes after you've set your face as well, because you usually do your lips last. So you don't really want to put too much product. As you can see, I'm just going over the lip line again, just to give it some more definition. Nothing wrong with being extra. I've left the center of her lip bare, just so it makes it easier to apply the lighter ombre shade. I've got these two amazing lipsticks from the Say It Loud collection, and I'll be using the darker shade to go all around the lip. And then I'll use the lighter shade just to dab slightly in the center of the lip to create the beautiful ombre effect. I really like these lipsticks because they're super creamy. So watch as I just dab this on to the lip. And notice how the color goes on so effortlessly. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna use the lighter shade from the Say It Loud collection, and I'm just gonna use my brush and just apply this beautiful color in the center of her lips and just distribute it evenly, like so. I'm just blending in the two colors using my brush, and notice how I'm still dabbing. And notice how I've been blending in the center of her lip and not dragging it out to the outer part of her lip, just because I really wanna keep the ombre in the center. I'm gonna be using the Lip Volve lip gloss, and it's a clear lip gloss. I'll be applying the thinnest layer to Ore's lips just to ensure that the product doesn't move. And notice how I haven't gone back into the pot of gloss to get more product. I'm just using what's on the applicator. So this is the completed look. All right, how are you feeling, babes?
Amazing, moisturized.
This is it. Perfect.
So we've got some questions from the Sleep fans. The first one is, how to prep dry lips before applying a lip look.
You should go in first with a lip scrub and then go in with a lip balm.
Next question is, how do you match your lip shade to your skin tone?
Well, if I'm looking for a nude color for my skin tone, I'd go 3 shades darker.
Next question, does lip liner stop lipstick from bleeding?
Absolutely. Yes, you must use it. You must.
How do you create fuller looking lips?
You create fuller looking lips by slightly overlining your lips.
So the last question for you is, what are your tips for making lipsticks or lip gloss last longer?
My top tip for making lipstick last longer would be to apply a small amount of setting powder to the lip, and to make lip gloss last longer, just applying 1 layer will do the trick.